I, Shongita Bhaja, Assistant Professor of Bengal School of Technology, Hooghly. Dear students, today I am going to start with the topic on drug interactions part 3. Today I discuss about pharmacodynamic interaction. First of all, antagonistic effects. Antagonism means opposition, where acetylcholine and noradrenaline are antagonistic in nature. So acetylcholine lowers the heart rate while noradrenaline shows increase in heart rates. Similarly, adrenaline dilates bronchial muscle and histamine contracts it. Next one, synergistic effect. Synergistic effect means additive effect, which is seen in trimethoprim and sulfonamide antibiotic, resulting in additive antimicrobial action. Similarly, alcohol with CNS depression leads to increased CNA depression. Third one, alteration of electrolyte levels. For example, digitalis glycosides interacts with the diuretics. Now, the problem associated with the use of most common diuretics such as thiazide diuretics, ethylenic acid, furosemide, metolazone, etc. is that they can cause excessive loss of potassium from the body. So, it causes hypokalemia. Particular question is necessary in patients being treated with digitalis preparations during diuretic therapy. Since edema often troublesome in patients with congestive heart failure, which increases potassium depletion when incorrected, and the heart may become more sensitive to the effect of digitalis. So arrhythmia may result. Now interactions involving the adrenergic system. First of all, MAO inhibitors interact with the sympathomimetic agents. MAO means monoamino oxidase inhibitors. Sympathomimetic agents means these are agents which in general mimic the responses due to stimulation of sympathetic nerves. Now, MAO functions to break down catecholamines such as norepinephrine. When this enzyme is inhibited, increased levels of norepinephrine within adrenergic neuron result. Now, any drug that might release these stores can bring about exaggerate responses, and patient may suffer from severe disease like severe headache, hypertension and cardiac illness, etc. For example, MAO inhibitor tyramine is present in certain foods like cheese, pickles, yeast extract, etc. Now, tyramine is metabolized by MAO present in intestinal walls of gastrointestinal tract. When MAO is inhibited, large quantities of unmetabolized tyramine can accumulate, resulting in increase of norepinephrine from the adrenergic neurons. Now, MAO1 interact with the tricyclic antidepressants. Severe atrophy like resistance, tremor, convulsions, hyperthermia, and vascular collapse have been reported from such type of drug use. Now, interactions involving with the adrenergic system. Guanthidine interact with the tricyclic depressants. It is transported to its site of action within adrenergic neurons by a transport system that is also responsible for uptake of norepinephrine as well as several indirectly acting sympathomimetic amines such as ephedrine and amphetamine. Now, concentration of guanthidine in these neurons is necessary for its hypotensive effect. And tricyclic antidepressants can inhibit uptake of guanthidine into the neuron terminal, thereby preventing its concentration at the site of action. Now, guanthidine interact with the sympathomimetic agents. The effect of guanthidine is also recognized by amines such as amphetamine, ephedrine, methylphenidate, etc. Amphetamine probably acts similar to tricyclic antidepressants in producing their response, but in addition, it may also cause release the guanthidine from its storage sites in neurons. Now, alteration of receptor site interactions. First of all, warfarin interact with the dextrothyroxine. Dextrothyroxine can enhance the effect of warfarin by increasing the affinity of drug for the receptor site. Now, warfarin interact with the anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids like nadrolone increases the affinity of the anticoagulant for the receptor site. Now, alteration of the gastrointestinal tract flora. For example, anticoagulants interact with the antibiotics. This interaction develops as a result of interference by the anti-infective agent like tetracycline, chloramphenicol, neomycin, etc. with production of vitamin K by the microorganism in gastrointestinal tract. Now, problem will occur only in patients who have a low dietary intake of vitamin K. Now, antibiotic combinations. Antibiotic antagonism. Here is the two terms bacteriostatic and bactericidal. Bacteriostatic antibiotic means agents that prevent the bacterial reproduction, but bactericidal antibiotic means agents that kill the bacteria. Now, a bacteriostatic antibiotic like chloramphenicol, tetracycline, etc., administered in combination with a bactericidal agent such as penicillin derivative, which inhibit the cell wall synthesis and must act on multiplying bacteria that they are making new cell walls to exert a lethal effect. Now, if a bacteriostatic agent that stops the cell multiplication by another mechanism that does not lead to cell death is given concurrently, the penicillin derivative cannot exert a bactericidal effect because the cells are not longer multiplying effect. Now, drug interactions involving over-the-counter preparation. First of all, drugs like antacid, sodium bicarbonate and sodium citrate, which interacts with the salicylates and phenobarbital, causes increased rate of elimination due to alkalinization of urine. Next one, antacids like aluminum salts, which interact with the iron and causes decreased iron absorption. Now, aspirin interact with the indomethacin causes reduced absorption of indomethacin from the gastrointestinal tract. Now, aspirin interact with the penicillin and which causes reduces the elimination of penicillin from the body. Now, drug interactions involving common diet drug interactions. First of all, caffeine, which interact with the anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin, indomethacin, phenylbutazone, etc., which increase the anti-inflammatory action. Now, ethanol interact with the folic acid and ethanol may cause folic acid deficiency due to reduced folate absorption. Now, ethanol interact with the paracetamol causes enhancement of hepatotoxicity of paracetamol. Now, alcohol interact with the aspirin and synergistic effect of alcohol and aspirin on the mucosal coating in stomach. Now, almond and dairy products which interact with the tetracycline antibiotic will reduce the therapeutic effect and increase the gastrointestinal disturbances. Now, drug interactions involving common diet drug interactions. First of all, cold beverage. Cold beverage interact with the penicillin G, cloxacillin and erythromycin etc. Now, therapeutic effect is decreased in acidic environment due to decomposition of the drug in the acidic environment. Curd interact with the tetracycline, which reduces the therapeutic effect of the tetracycline. Fruit juice interact with the cloxacillin, erythromycin, penicillin, etc., where therapeutic effect is decreased in acidic environment due to decomposition of the drug in acidic environment. Now, green vegetables. Green vegetables interact with the antibiotics, which reduces the therapeutic effect and increase the gastrointestinal disturbances. Last one, sugar. Sugar interact with the hypoglycemics and block the drug action. Thank you.